If you've been applying to job after job after job after job on Indeed without getting any kind of callbacks, you might be making this one very simple but super crucial mistake. I would know because I was making the same mistake, but I decided I wanted to do something about it. So I went and created an employer Indeed account to see what's going on the back end. I wanted to see what employers were seeing when applications were submitted. It helped me immensely, and I hope it's going to help you. So please like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's get to the video. All right, so as you heard in the intro, I just really wanted to see what employers were looking at when you apply. Like, I really had no idea, and this really helped me a lot, and I hope it helps you. The first thing you should know what they look at is this, and that's how many candidates there are, and there are a ton. So for this specific job is an SEO position. You can call it whatever you like, SEO specialist, SEO manager. It doesn't really matter, but one thing to note is there are a lot of applications. You can see this, right? It says 51 new candidates and 110. So I did get 110 applications within a day, okay? This is either 1 day or 2 days tops, so that just gives you an idea. And these are the messages that employers are getting, which is very important for you to understand. And I'll show you how you can edit this. I mean, I'm sure you probably understand, but this is what they're getting. So this is an email for each applicant. This is what they get. And this is, as an employer, this is probably all they're looking at. They are looking at hundreds of these every single day and making a decision. So it shows the name, your current position, and the city you're from. So they're kind of looking at these one by one, deciding which one they want to kind of approach and engage with. So let's take an actual application. The first thing, right, when you hit apply to a job, they take you to this screen to fill out some initial information. And then at the very end, you get this. And this, where it says optional, it should be freaking mandatory for everybody. This is where that data gets taken from. So that information that I showed you, the email they get, this is where they're pulling that information from. So you got to make this as exciting, as intriguing, as relevant as possible. Okay, you got to fill that out to make sure the person who's seeing that opens it up, clicks it, engages. That's your number one goal. If you worked somewhere at a reputable company that has a big name that people would recognize, boom, put that in there, problem solved. Because this is what happens when you don't fill out that information. This is what you see, okay? If you don't fill it out, all it just shows is your name and nothing else about you. So if you don't fill that out, you have probably close to 0% chance because they have no idea. And they're likely not even looking at your resume. They're looking at this little brief scribble and that's it. If you fill it out, this is what you get instead. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure to make this portion engaging. Okay, everyone, thanks for watching. I have a bunch of other videos here on the topic of, resumes and job applications using AI. So go ahead and check those out. I think you're going to really enjoy them. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks for tuning in once again.